So yeah, this is going to be Hawaii 2.0. We're back at Spitting Cay. We're going to take the GoPro 2 over here. Yeah. So yeah, the water is a little bit worse than today, or previous time we were here. And one of my buddies actually almost struggled to get out. See, but I think we got that on clip on the GoPro. But yeah, we're waiting for some more. And then we'll probably be jumping a little bit more and stuff. But yeah, so far, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. But yeah, the water is kind of risky. So I don't know if we're gonna send up the drone. Maybe. But yeah, we'll see. See, I don't think we're gonna jump again. I just had a clip. One of my buddies jumped in, and the water is really rough, so it's kind of hard to get out, especially the rocks, like just like up and down. The current just pulling you back. He's still in the water, trying to get out. So yeah, we're just gonna grab something to almost help him out. But yeah, no, it's actually. Oh, gotta go. So yeah, we just had to get the float water, but it's actually at the end. We didn't need to use it. He got out, so he's safe. But yeah, no, I don't think we're gonna jump here. Maybe China Ball, some other place, we'll see. But yeah, no, this is rough water today.
That's why I said get the float.
So you went in and then we're just pushing back. In and then we're just pushing you back. Right?
Yeah, I know. Just trying to get back. You guys are no, the sea turtle's under there. Dude, fuck turtle.
Seconds, the water was just white. We're like, yeah, I'm white.
So yeah, the water's way too rough here, so we're gonna head over to China Wall, and then hopefully it's calmer there. So yeah, we just moved to the next spot, to China Wall, and the water was way better here than it was down at the other spot, at Spitting Cay. So yeah, got the GoPro in, did a few jumps, and yeah, we're just gonna chill here for the rest of the day, just be in the water, sit outside, tan or whatever, and then yeah. hope you guys enjoyed it. And then only thing is, just find something local to go do. And just go for a day or something. I'm telling you, it'll be worth it. But yeah, these two spots, first one was Spinning Cave, second one China Wall. Just go look it up on Google. It's like East Island.
Alright, go ahead, Jordan. Can I jump in with it?
The Spinning Cave, they just left. I don't know what we're gonna do for the rest of the day, but probably gonna pack up and head somewhere else. We'll see what happens. But yeah, it's been a fun time. So yeah.